Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make an ombre slime. Let's get to it. The tools you need for this ombre slime is a fork, a bowl, some glue, some activator. Today I'll be using Tide, and some food dye. Let's get started. So first you need to add your glue in. And make sure you add your Tide or activator in slowly. Now that it's starting to form, you can add your activator in. Now I'm going to add a little bit of food dye, and my ombre colors are going to be blue, pink, and purple, so I have to make 3 different slimes. So this one is going to be blue. I'm going to add 2 drops of blue. And mix that in. Now that you have finished making one of your slimes, continue this process and make 2 more slimes. If you don't have any purple food dye at home, then you can always mix 2 colors to get your purple, which I will be showing you. So I'm going to put 1 drop of red, and then I'm going to put 1 drop of blue as well. Now I'm going to mix it. So you get this nice looking purple, and if you want it darker, add more blue, and if you want it a little lighter, add 1 more drop of red. So this is the purple slime, and now I'm going to be making a pink slime. For this pink slime, I'm going to be adding 1 drop of red. And the lighter the red, the better the pink will be. This is what the pink looks like. And now I'm going to get the blue, pink, and purple all mixed together. Now that I've added my glitter, I'm going to push it down a little bit on the corners. I'm going to push the glitter in a tiny bit, just like that. So it completely stays in while you're mixing this. Okay, and now I'm going to mix it. So to do that, I'm going to slowly roll it, just like that. And now I'm going to stretch it around. And there you go. Now if you keep mixing it, it'll look very pretty. There we go. And now to top it off, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter on top. Just like that. And there you have it, your ombre slime. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed making that amazing ombre slime, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!